I'm going to teach you a kick counter so fast and sneaky, it'll feel like you teleported. This move takes real flexibility and strength, but when you nail it, it looks impossible. Let me show you. There's typically two ways of throwing a hook kick. There's a full hook and a tap hook. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be doing a tap hook. We've all fought that person that's pushing forward from the moment the fight starts. Go! It doesn't matter what they throw on you. If done right, it's an incredibly evasive counter. This works best when you know your body mechanics. Having an understanding of your flexibility and strength will ultimately affect how and where you throw this kick counter. Defensively, we would implement this as someone's pushing forwards. You would first start by dodging the attack, chambering around the attack, and hitting the open area with your hook kick. Timing is everything. When done right, you essentially disappear. However, this is an extremely difficult technique to do. You need to react on the dodge and the kick faster than they could launch their hand forwards. On top of that, you need to try not to fall if they run into you. But if you could do all that, it's an effective tool to have. We don't always have a partner, so I'm gonna show you how to do it on a heavy bag. Lucky for you, this one's easy. All you're gonna do is stand directly in front of the heavy bag, lean away, and throw the kick. To train your body mechanics, progressively get closer to the target, but try and maintain your kick height. We hope this helps. Let us know if you learned something new. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye.